Have you ever wondered how a single cell evolves into a fully formed human being? It's a fascinating journey that unfolds over approximately 9 months, and it happens right inside a mother's womb. The journey begins with the fertilization of an egg by a sperm, resulting in a single cell. This cell divides rapidly, creating a cluster of cells known as a blastocyst. The blastocyst then takes up residence in the uterine lining, marking the beginning of pregnancy. As time progresses, this tiny cluster of cells evolves into a small fetus. The different cells begin to differentiate, forming the various organs and systems of the body. The brain, heart, lungs, digestive system, and much more all start to take shape. This stage, known as organogenesis, is crucial for the fetus's survival and functionality after birth. Around the second trimester, something remarkable happens: the first movements. At first, these movements may be too slight to be felt by the mother, but as the fetus grows, the movements become stronger and more pronounced. Around the same time, the fetus starts practicing sucking and swallowing motions, essential skills for breastfeeding after birth. It's amazing to think that even before birth, the fetus is preparing for life outside the womb. And the growth doesn't stop there. The fetus continues to grow in size and weight, drawing essential nutrients and oxygen from the mother's body through the placenta. But the fetus isn't just passively growing, it's also starting to interact with the outside world. It begins to react to external stimuli, responding to sounds, light and touch. So that lullaby you sing might just be heard by your little one. In the third trimester, the fetus begins to practice breathing movements, even though it isn't breathing air. This helps prepare the respiratory system for life outside the womb. Finally, in the last stages of fetal development, the fetus's body begins to regulate its own functions, like body temperature, blood pressure, and heart rate. All this happens while the fetus is floating in the amniotic sac, surrounded by amniotic fluid that provides a stable, protective environment for growth and development. So, from a single cell, we get a fully formed human being, ready to take its first breath and start life outside the womb. It's a miraculous journey, one that underscores the wonder of life itself.